Do you know the 5 key performance indicators every real estate investor should track? Stick around to discover these crucial tools that could revolutionize your investing strategy. In real estate investing, tracking the right KPIs is essential. These indicators not only guide your investment decisions, but also directly impact your profitability. Knowing what to measure and how to interpret the data can set you apart in the competitive real estate market. Many real estate investors face challenges in effectively tracking and analyzing their investment performance. Common obstacles include lack of access to real-time data, difficulty interpreting complex financial metrics, and uncertainty about which indicators are most important. Let's dive into each of the 5 crucial KPIs you should be monitoring. 1. Cash flow. Cash flow measures the net amount of cash that your investments are generating after all expenses. Positive cash flow indicates that your investments are profitable. 2. Return on investment, or ROI. This metric helps you understand the efficiency of your investment by comparing the gain from an investment to its cost. 3. Occupancy rate. Essential for rental properties, this indicates the percentage of your properties that are rented out versus those that are vacant. 4. Property value appreciation. This shows how much your property's value has increased over time, helping you make timely decisions about selling or holding your investment. 5. Debt service coverage ratio, DSCR. This ratio measures your ability to cover loan payments with your cash flow. A higher ratio means you're in a better position to handle your debts. Understanding and tracking these KPIs diligently can bring powerful insights and lead to more informed, strategic investment decisions. For instance, knowing your cash flow trends can help you decide whether to reinvest in more properties or pull back. The key performance indicators of cash flow, ROI, occupancy rate, property value appreciation, and DSCR are fundamental for successful real estate investing. Regular monitoring and analysis of these KPIs ensure that you can adapt and thrive in any market condition. If you're keen on becoming a more proficient real estate investor, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights. Also, share with us your favorite KPI and how it has helped you in your investment journey in the comments below. Stay tuned for more valuable content that can help you excel in real estate investing. Until the next video, aim high.